Hi, this is Harry from Solarjuice, and today I have the pleasure about talking about one of the most unique inverter brands out there. That's right, Sungrow. It is one of the few brands that's 100% bankable. There's 100 plus gigawatts deployed worldwide in over 60 countries. One of the largest R&D teams working on their inverters, and also, not forgetting, 20 plus years experience. I also have the pleasure in unboxing this 5 kilowatt 3-phase hybrid inverter alongside Scott Sue from Sungrow Australia, and just look out for that tomorrow in the socials. Also further to this, we will have our webinar hosting where you guys can ask those technical questions from Sungrow Australia as well. And what I'd like to do now is actually hand over to our STC partners, Formbay.
Hi, Jade here from Formbay with this week's stats. Last week the industry created 941,000 STCs. That's 236,000 STCs over the STP run rate. Based on our current projections, we should reach the target on the 28th of the 10th, 2020. The price has moved down to $38.20 this week, which is 30 cents down from last Wednesday where it was at $38.50. That's it from Formbay. Thanks so much.
Hi guys, Doug here from 3 Quotes. Well, September was another record month and October has kicked off again in a very strong way. There are currently some great opportunities. They sit in the Riverina district, Canberra and Sydney, and there is plenty of opportunity there if you're looking to expand your business into new territories. It'd be a great idea to give Kelly or Craig a call. They can walk you through the details. That's all from me. Have a great week, everyone.